Hi besties, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to day 5 of this challenge. So guys, I decided to go on a challenge to ventilate a full to know how long it would take me to ventilate a full while taking care of a newborn. Normally full I do take 3 to 4 days to vent it, sometimes 2.5 days to vent it. But due to the fact that I have a newborn, I decided to go on a challenge to see how many days it will take me to get one done. So this is day 5, and remember day 4 we finished the back side. So this day 5 we are starting at the front side, and this is how far I've gone. This morning I started with the front side since we are done with the back side at day 4, and I'm thinking, let's see how long it take me to finish all. So the pattern I'm using is the vertical horizontal pattern. If you don't know what I mean, this is me showing you what I mean by vertical horizontal pattern, in a way where you have to vent a line and skip a line, and you vent a hole, because I'm using one hole one line, and which means I'm skipping a line and a hole, just one. I skip a line, I vent on the next line, I skip a hole, then I vent on the next hole. Is that I go vertically or I go horizontally, they are same. Okay, so if you don't know how to vent as a beginner, please check my video on how to vent as a beginner. Then if you don't know the different patterns or different techniques of air ventilation, because we have vertical, horizontal, we have diagonal, slash, you can actually call that slash, we have in between. Okay, so we have different patterns of ventilation, and this is one of them. And so far so good. I've actually uploaded videos on all the different patterns of ventilation. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, just where to do that, turn on notification bell so that once I upload my tutorial videos you get notified. Okay, if you have any questions so far, do not forget to let me know in the comment section. I don't ignore questions. Okay, once I see your question, I am going to reply you. If you have any video request, maybe there's something you want me to make video on, you are still free to let me know in the comment section. So guys, what do you think about this challenge? Do you think I am fast? Or let me know in the comment section, how many days does it take you to vent a full? How many days do you vent it in a day, 2 days, a day? Is it possible to finish a full in a day? I doubt. Were you able to finish a full in 2 days, 3 days, a week or more? Let me know in the comment section. Sorry, I really need to know. I really want to know. Okay, so guys, this is me gradually doing my thing on this day 5, and I am happy how far I have gone. I thought this would take me more than a week, or a week, 2 days, 3 days, but I don't think it will get to that, to a week. Anyways, let's see how it goes. I didn't upload yesterday because I actually did not do any work yesterday. Like, I didn't vent yesterday, I was busy doing other things. So today is day 5, and this is what I got. So you have just this left, and I'm hoping that by day 6, which is tomorrow, I should be able to finish this. Or will it exceed to day 7? I do not know, but my prayer and wish is that I should get this done by day 6, which is tomorrow, so I can go ahead and do the breading. I will upload a proper video, a proper tutorial video on how and the pattern I'm going to braid with this full lace. Okay, thank you guys for always watching, and to those who are liking, sharing, I really appreciate you guys. If you are yet to join my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button follow me so that once I upload tutorial videos you get notified. Thank you guys and see you on day 6 of this challenge. Bye.